Check that. Check this out, guys. Oh, yeah. This is well needed. Alright, so, well, first off, you guys can maybe tell, I'm sure you guys can tell, we're back to the DSLR game. Everyone just give a thumbs up for DSLR life, because GoPro life got a little bit rough, man. We're on that Hero 4 life still. We're at like, what, 7 or 8? We'll get one soon, we'll upgrade. But we're back, so welcome first off, guys, to Kalvin's Garage. I have a little bit of a favor to ask you. If you guys watch this video and you guys do enjoy the content, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. It would be super awesome. We're so close to 100K. The goal for this year was to get to 100K. So we still have a little bit of time to do that. However, I need your guys' help, and turn that notification icon while you guys are at it. There's some cool stuff happening, especially like the stuff that's going on in today's video. But actually, you guys are new. I'd like to welcome the Zupra. She's a great gal. There's a full build series if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, like a 40-part build series. We jammed it out within like a month and a half, so check it out. But today is gonna be about this right here. What is this, you guys may ask? Oh well, I mean, it's in the title, so that's a stupid question. We're gonna go ahead and pop into this, man, and just kind of see what we're working with, and hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully I like it. I've never seen one of these like in person. We're gonna find out together. This is gonna be a journey. They just left it at the door. There was no signature required, so. Oh yeah, dude, this is exciting, my guy. Oh yeah, oh dude, this is baller. I'm already excited, Hang on now. Pretty decently packaged, not like overly packaged, but yeah, boys, so here it is. Okay, so if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have seen I was looking at the AB Flug Wing and some other little options, but those are all like close to $1,000. And I was like, I'm not about to drop $1,000 on a wing. We are planning to go with a Twin Z design kit, wide body kit, so that'll come eventually. I was looking at their wings, but as of right now, I kind of want a little bit more. Their Type 2 or Type 3 was sick, but I want a little bit more of a wing, if that makes sense. So I wasn't looking to spend, you know, a G-bar or like, you know, much on a wing. So this is the next option. Hang on. And went with the Duraflex. Before you guys get angry, chill out. Hang on. The Duraflex, it was 200 bucks, bro. Like, I don't know. I can't argue with that price. And so far, just. But we're gonna figure out if it's a good price or not. We're gonna see if it fits, first of all. This is like an experiment, dude, and even if it doesn't fit, I'm gonna make it fit. But this is what was in my budget, and it looks sick. So, this is actually, I believe, a rep of the Wind Factory CSLR wing or something like that. And that's like a G-bar. This is a rep of that. But you know what? We're not getting angry, because this looks freaking awesome. You guys can kind of see that, like, just like, it's like a dovetail, dude. It's like a molded, it's a molded wing. And oh man, I think this is gonna look so fire on the back of this car. Yeah, so obviously, you know, we're gonna do some body work. It's already primed, as you guys can see. It's already primed. All it's got to do is just, you know, they got a little bit of run edge right there. We'll go ahead and sand that. There are a couple little nicks and stuff like that. We'll go have, you know, I'll redo this whole thing. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you guys how to do this real nice. Let's get a good look at this thing. Oh. Alright, so sorry, I can't really get any cool like beauty shots of this thing really that well inside the garage. We're in the garage today, by the way. It's a late start. We got our Christmas tree today. First off, happy holidays to everyone out there. We are having a little bit of a late start today, but you know, all's good. We'll kind of see how far we can get. At least get it somewhat maybe fitted and, you know, body worked a little bit. But regardless, check this out. This is sick. I'm just trying to get around and get a good look for you guys. So you guys can see kind of how it swoops up a bit, right? So there's a nice little swoop. And then look at I think that's pretty dope, dude. It's just like, it's a dovetail. I think that's what they call these. So I'm a fan. I'm a big fan. I guess the next thing to do right quick is I guess, mock it up, right? Oh boy. I just gotta figure out how it sits on here, because right now, it doesn't really fit that well. Okay. Alright. Okay, well, I kinda expected this coming in, that it's gonna fit like crap. I was right. I'm not sure where it's supposed to mount, my guy. Okay. Cool. Alright, so check this out. Here's the wing I got right here, right? It comes all the way down to the top of the tail lights, right? So we gotta cover that. There's like a little, like we gotta go over this bit right here, right? But then here's the wild part, right? Here's the wild part. How in the world is this thing even mounted to this? I'm gonna try and work on getting this thing to at least like be in the right spot, and I guess we'll kind of go from there. Give me a little minute or so, maybe an hour or two. It may be a little bit worse than I anticipated, but I mean, okay, so here's the thing. We're gonna have to rivet it. The end plan of this car is to wide body it, guys. So we can't really be too worried about drilling a couple holes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now is, I mean, it looks sweet. The weird thing is, like, it's got like this, it's got a lip right here. You know, it's got a lip right there. And I'm wondering if I cut it down some more, like further in here and cut it around here. It's kind of cool because now it matches a bit with the rear bumper. And for me, it just seemed like this was lacking a bit of girth. Like, just this part of the car, as it like kind of swoops in, it almost kind of has a vertical slant to it. It does have a little bit, you guys can kind of see. By the way, we'll get some J-Spec taillights eventually here. Trust me, I know about those. Those look real good. So it just needs a little bit of a pump out, and that's exactly what we got here. I think this whole design is really, like, really cool. I've never seen a Z with this wing on it, personally. I'm pretty happy. It's not a, we didn't go freaking chassis mount because we're a stock body. You can't do that on a stock body car. It looks a little bit weed, at least just in my opinion. I really like the molded look. I think this looks effing sick, dude. Like, I don't know. I'm about it. And once it's painted, it'll get a whole... Remember like how weird the bumper looked before it was painted, and once it painted, like completely changed the whole... That's how this is going to be. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead. Let's make a cut, and let's get to it. Alright, so actually, I don't know if you guys can see all those little marks right there, the little dots. I just measured an even space to cut. That way it's not like a weird wavy line. So we got a nice line to go ahead on. I made a few attempts at making that corner, but I think we got a good little idea so where we got to go. So I got my little air die grinder here. We're going to go ahead and cut this thing up. Yeah, so that's our wing, boys. Pretty sweet, right? I'm just totally kidding. That's what we cut off. Here's our wing. Let's I know that wasn't funny at all, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. I'm gonna set this up and I'm gonna show you how much better it already is. Hold up. Ta-da! Look at that, dude. That's right on the edge. Or, I mean, it's flush. Now it's hitting the actual hatch, which is what we wanted. Before it was freaking swooping back up. So that was an awesome cut. It looks great. We're obviously going to go ahead and do a final sand on it. Get it nice and smooth right here. But, actually, it's fitting. That one cut made it way better all in all. Alright, so next thing I'm going to go ahead and do. You guys see how this lip is, that edge is kind of thick. So I'm actually going to take this off and from the underside go ahead and kind of grind some of the excess fiberglass away. That way it can sit a little bit more flush. And if we can get it fitting really nice, I mean, maybe we won't really need to look into molding it. It just might be that good of a fit. So I'm gonna go get, just get grinding, man. Get grinding. Fiberglass, not fun. Look who's here. Oh, hey. Heavy D. We're just messing with this. I got it looking pretty good. I got it honestly in a pretty happy spot. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing scuffed up a little bit, toss some body filler on it, and get rid of all the waviness because it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna hit it with like some 80 grit, toss some filler. We'll be looking good. This is how you do body work. Come on. Oh, we're on manual focus. Ooh, all right, so I got this thing pretty much all sanded down. I'm gonna go ahead and give it one more skim coat. What time is it, Ryan? Like 2 o'clock?
It is 1:40.
1:40. So yeah, before that, I'm pretty much done for today. I'm gonna go ahead and give it one final little skim coat. I felt a little bit of waviness, like right here, right there. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a final coat, let it dry overnight. We'll sand it, we'll sand it, and then we'll go ahead and we'll simmer down over there, big house. And tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead, we'll get this thing drilled and riveted to the actual car itself. And hopefully get it in primer. That'd be super cool. It's coming along real well. Just be patient. It looks weird right now. I know it's kind of hard to see it, but once it's all painted, it's gonna look real good. All right, guys. So you guys can see we got our final little coats of filler on there, looking awesome. That's gonna cut it out for today, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up button. I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Hopefully it should be, most likely. Have a good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Z has a wing. It's well needed. It's well needed. It's so much better that it swoops up instead of just falls down. You know what I mean? That's where it lacked. But I will see you guys back up on the channel here very, very soon. Tomorrow, most likely. Have a good night, guys. Take it easy. Peace.